the reaction like here, chlorine with water. So chlorine is a gas. It reacts with water, is a liquid. So it is a reversible reaction. We obtain here protons of hydrogen, then chloride ions here, then this one, chlor O minus, this one, this is called chlorate. So let's talk about the ions anions of the chlorine. Here we have these anions usually called. So this one, chlor O minus. This one is called perchlorate. This one is called just chlorate. Chlorate. This one is called chloride. Chloride. This one, hypochlorite. And this one, chloride. So it starts from the chlorate. If one oxygen more, we add the prefix perchlorate. It means the prefix per means one more, one oxygen more. When there one oxygen less, we just replace this A into I, so chloride. Then when the two oxygens is less, we say hypo. It means maximum. Yes, hypochlorite, kind of too much, hypochlorite. Then when without oxygen, we just chloride at this one. But all of them just can be used like chlorate with the mentioning of their oxidation states. For example, here, this one is +7, this one is +5, this one +3, it's 2, yes, +3, this one +2, +1, -1. So we can say just like this, all of them call to chlorate, but mentions their oxidation state, or chlorate kind of oxidation state. Chlorate like this, or chlorate. So all of them can be chlorate with mentioning their oxidation state, so on. So in this case, let's talk it there, or kind of this one, chlorate 1. So chlorate 1. We obtain chlorate 1. This reaction is called disproportionation. 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 Why disproportionation? It means when one chemical is both oxidized and reduced. It should be oxidized and reduced. This process is called disproportionation. Let's just check it. Chlorine starts from the 0 charge. At the end, we obtain -1. So this one, what? Reduce it. Here, we obtain how much? +1. So this one simultaneously oxidized. So when one chemical is both oxidized and reduced, That process is called disproportionation in sunlight. So the chlorine with water, if in sunlight, when this process is how can I say, yes, under sunlight is done, exposed to sunlight means water, so we obtain 2 plus aqueous, 2 chlorine minus aqueous, then gas here. So let's talk about this one, just a redox reaction, not disproportionation. Redox reaction. Why redox? Let's check it. This one is the chlorine started with 0 charge, and then at the end minus charge. That's it. But what is oxidized? They're oxidized here. Oxygen oxidized. It started -2, but at the end 0. Just the simple redox. Redox when one chemical oxidized and another different chemical is reduced, not just we're talking about the same chemical. So in sunlight, and these chloride ions, they're used as their water treatment chemical. So it kills bacteria, the chloride. This one as a water treatment, so on.